I believe that in the future, the AI, at least in our market, will make sure that people need to be more focused on the soft skills, on the relationship. Having more technology, it means also having more empathy, because it will need to have the right balance. Making sure that we are using the tech in order to scale in the best way our operational way of scaling the business. From the other hand, importance of relationship is going to be key within the work, within the teams, within companies, but also to our customers. So we believe that that is the direction. AI will enhance and accelerate those trends, and people who are being able to adapt and understand the narrative will be at the forefront and in pole position to take all the opportunities of the future.
I have to admit that the experience by itself, it was very exciting. Usually, since I'm enrolled in the Master in AI Artificial Intelligence Applied to Business here at LUISS Business School, I tend to work towards a grade when I do a project. While in this case, actually, while working hand-to-hand with a business, it was more engaging. You need to cover a need that the company actually has. And so having various calls with the company in order to discuss what their needs are, what they actually want the actual application to be, it makes it feel more real, more alive. And also I have to admit that working with the actual consultants inside the company itself that work already in the artificial intelligence world is an additional reason for me to work hard in what I do and love artificial intelligence as it is.
We are excited to say that we are grateful to our partnership with the LUISS Business School. We believe that those moments are important for us, that we are always going very fast throughout our daily operational work. It's very important in order to collect those feedbacks and being able to confront with the rest of the society and being able to know that we are doing the right things at the right time.
Thanks to the Grow Challenge in LUISS Business School, I made sure to use the knowledge that I had with the artificial intelligence to use it with a real business case, and having the possibility to exploit the artificial intelligence for the challenge itself was really a moving point for the partners that made us create what we did with our platform, and having the possibility to explore the new possibilities in the artificial intelligence scenarios for working cases and for the future of the partners and the industry that they work in.